In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a grid in Google Slides using guides. This is a handy skill for anyone looking to organize their presentation, slides more effectively, and ensure that all your elements are aligned neatly. Whether you're a teacher preparing lesson slides or an entrepreneur pitching an idea, a well-organized slide can make a world of difference. So let's jump right in and learn how to do this step by step. First, let's make sure that the guides are visible on your presentation. Start by opening your Google Slides document. Once it's open, look at the menu bar at the top of your screen. Click on View, which will bring up a drop-down menu. From there, select Guides, and then click on Show Guides. This will make the standard guidelines appear on your slide, which are typically placed at the center. These guides are essentially reference lines that help you position objects on the slide with precision. Now that you've got your guides visible, it's time to adjust them to fit your needs. You can click and drag these default guides to new positions on your slide. As you move them, you'll notice numbered indicators appearing. These numbers help you determine the spacing and alignment, making it easier to distribute elements evenly across your slide. To further enhance your grid, you might want to add more guidelines. Doing so allows for greater flexibility and precision in designing your slide layout. To add more guides, simply right-click on your slide. In the menu that appears, you'll find the options to Add Horizontal Guide or Add Vertical Guide. Click either option based on your needs, and a new guide will appear on your slide. You can then click and drag the new guide to your desired position, just like the default ones. With your grid in place, you're ready to start using these guides to align various elements on your slide. Whether it's shapes, images, or text boxes, aligning them to these guides will ensure everything snaps perfectly into place. This snapping feature is incredibly useful for maintaining a consistent and professional layout throughout your presentation. It's a bit like having a digital ruler that keeps everything just where it should be. Once you're finished setting up your elements and the grid has served its purpose, you might want to clear your view of the guides to get a clean look at your slide. This is easy to do. Just go back to View in the menu bar, select Guides, and uncheck Show Guides. This will hide the guidelines from view, but rest assured the elements you've aligned using the guides will stay perfectly in position. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a neat and organized grid in Google Slides, helping you present content in a clear and professional manner. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting!